Here we go. We'll do it twice. Okay. A penny for your thoughts. A penny for your thoughts. What in the world are you thinking? A penny for your thoughts. Just say no. I'll be there. Better late than never.
Alright, ready? Working hard from a very young age. 35 cents was an hourly wage. From to OSU from Howard Hall, Barb answered the call. A mentor, a guide, teacher, a friend, loving my kid with a brighter future ahead. Something like that. And then the next verse. Okay. Working hard from a very young age. 35 cents was her hourly wage. To OSU from Howard Hall, Barb answered the call. Henry Mancini on the radio. Leaves are changing in Ohio. Dad could pack and Mom got us ready to go. Boys in the back, me, Hugh, and Joe. Longing for a Sunday drive. Longing for a Sunday drive. Longing for a Sunday drive with Dad. Long walks through old man's cave. So many memories to say. Deer Creek and Houston Woods. Ooh, we had it so good. Longing for a Sunday drive. Longing for a Sunday drive. Longing for a Sunday drive with Dad.
Whenever I think about my life, where I've been and where I'll be, fragile moments, fragrant memories, and like blossoms on a cherry tree.
Matt, take it away. Here we go.
Happy hours.
Oh no,
sorry. Fruitful life, hopes and dreams, close to friends and family. Happy hours, feeling safe and free in the shade of our cherry tree. Building a home of memories spun. We stand